Hey everyone, it's Sean, and welcome to Invest with Fire. In this video, we're going to talk about if it's worth investing into privacy coins. Before I go in the video, like and subscribe, and follow me on Twitter at Invest with Fire for more up-to-date information. So we talk a lot about Pirate Chain on this channel, and we talk about Monero, and a little bit about DERO too. And Pirate Chain is trading at $2.22 right now. And I'm seeing a nice little increase right here, about a 25% increase in the price of Monero. And it actually wicked down to $1.50 and $1.68 right now. If we look at Monero USD, really nothing going on here. It's trading sideways. And it's holding support on this bull market support band right here. And this is the 20-week SMA and the 21-week EMA. And this is an indicator used by Benjamin Cohen. Next, let's take a look at DERO USD. And nice uptrend we're seeing right here. DERO's holding support. And just like how I talked about in my previous videos, I said if we hit this support line, it could be a good spot to pick up some DERO at a discount. But we'll see if it actually holds support. You can see here that it does tend to hold support on these uptrends up here. So that's always a good sign, of course. Now let's talk about if it's still worth investing in privacy coins. Now, this is a bit of a nuanced topic, and it really depends on your portfolio and how much probability you think something's going to happen, right? So I'm going to show you the data, and some of you may not like the charts, but it's the data. It just shows the numbers speak the truth. So this first pair I want to talk about, and this is Pirate Chain to Ethereum. So this shows the valuation of Pirate Chain against Ethereum, and we can see here that Pirate Chain has been losing value against Ethereum. And you can see here since August, it's gone down by 65%. So it would have been better just to invest into Ethereum during this time. And if we take a look at Ethereum, we can see since August, where is August? Right here. And we take a move from here to here, Ethereum went up by 107%. I mean, that's a pretty good return on Ethereum, right, during this time. Now, if we go back to Pirate Chain, it just shows that it would have been better. Now, before this time, Pirate Chain was actually increasing value compared to Ethereum by 44%. And that's always nice to see. Now, it's kind of just depends, right? We're waiting for Pirate Chain to make its move whenever altcoin season happens. So once altcoin season happens, we could see Pirate Chain gaining in value against Ethereum like that, but we're still waiting on that. And with any small market coin like this, you're going to have volatility in this. And we'll see how long this run actually lasts, or if Pirate Chain actually does run up. Let's take a look at Monero. Monero USD, just like how I showed you, and Monero against Ethereum. And now, if we look at Monero against Ethereum, we see a definite downtrend, right? And this is spanning since 2018. If we take a move, let's just take a move from, I don't know, whatever, this candle to here. Hold on, sorry, that is the date. And I'm going to delete that. Now, if you take this move, and go all the way down there, went down by 86%. So Monero lost 86% of value compared to Ethereum. So it's just been better just to invest into Ethereum during this time, since 2017. If we look at DERO, let's take a look at DERO BTC. You can see now this is a good sign. This is not just a downtrend against Ethereum. It's actually going sideways against Ethereum. So at least DERO is keeping up with Ethereum, and even right here we have a definite uptrend against Ethereum. Let's see what this is. This is a 1200% gain against Ethereum. So it would have made a lot of sense to invest in DERO since February 2021. But before that, we were having this downtrend. So if we go back to Parachain, right now we are definitely losing value against Ethereum. But we'll see what happens when altcoin season happens, because then these small altcoins will have their run, and that's what I'm predicting. Doesn't mean it's going to happen, but that's what could happen, because these small coins just make their moves, right? And they have such a small market cap that they have these gigantic runs, just like how we saw in the previous run that we had. This run up was about 2,500 percent gains. So that's where these small altcoins make their move. Now, so I also want to talk about another reason why I invest in privacy coins is for the mission and the ethos of it, and I believe in the whole purpose of these privacy coins, right? I envision a future where once everyone starts making all their gains with like Bitcoin and Ethereum, they're going to figure out that these coins aren't fungible, and they're going to realize that these coins are far from private. And something might happen where like they might try to buy something from Amazon, but Amazon tracks their transactions and see like, hey, they supported this one cause that we don't believe in, so we're going to stop accepting payments from this wallet. And then at that point, these people are going to realize, hey, my coins are far from fungible, and I can't spend them where I really want to spend them. And so where can I go with this? And then I can see them moving their crypto into privacy coins. And that's when privacy coins are really going to make their move. Now, is that a definite possibility? I don't know. But it's a probability. And this is why I invest in privacy coins. And just in case that this scenario actually plays out. Now, it's just more of an insurance play for me, more than try to get rich off privacy coins. It's just insurance just in case if this scenario plays out. But if you just look at purely the valuations and the investment standpoint, some of these privacy coins are just not doing too hot against Ethereum. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. With Bitcoin, Parachain has been losing value against Bitcoin. So if we see here, take this, measured up to here, 63% loss against Bitcoin since August, right? And this makes a lot of sense, right? Because when Bitcoin dumps, all the altcoins bleed harder than Bitcoin. But we are seeing a nice move upwards, about a 21% gain against Bitcoin. So I could see a scenario when altcoins start pumping and moving up, right? That's when we're going to make our move upwards like that. And just like how this small slice of price action shows us, right? We had this huge wick right here. Of course, it would be almost impossible to time this wick, right? And so that's the thing about these small altcoins, is that if you really plan on selling, you might have to get lucky to actually sell at these higher wicks. And this is just a wick, right? You're gonna have to be monitoring this and watching this. So that's something I have to think about these small altcoins, is that they are very volatile. And it's gonna be hard to time. And that's just the reality. So that's kind of my take on investing in privacy coins. It's highly volatile, but I do see a future in which people start moving money into these privacy coins, but it's not a sure thing, and with my channel, I'm trying to give you non-biased information. I'm not trying to sell you kind of a doom and gloom kind of scenario of things where things might go, but that is a probability that could happen. So that's why I invest in privacy coins. So if this video is helpful, like and subscribe. Follow me on Twitter at InvestWithFire for more up-to-date information. And I'll talk to you guys later. Take care. Bye.